Hey everybody, Robert Crow here with Remax Alliance, Realtor in Northern Colorado. And today we're going to take you on a walking tour of my brand new listing at 1209 Emigh Street in the Highlander Heights neighborhood of Fort Collins. Now that's my old neighborhood. So let's start you off with a little drone shot of the home. But before I take you inside and around the property, I want to give you a quick tour of the local area. This home is on the east side of Old Town, Highlander Heights, as I mentioned, and that's just to the north of Edora Park. Edora Park is one of Fort Collins's most loved park communities. There's a wonderful play area. My kids have logged hundreds of hours over there. There's a skate park, there's an ice rink, you've got access to the two most popular bike trails in Fort Collins, and you are a 2 or 3 minute walk to Riffenberg Elementary, one of Fort Collins' most highly rated elementary schools. And if you're accident prone or you work at the hospital, 1209 Emigh Street actually backs to PVH. You can jump over the fence and be at work in 5 minutes. So here we are on the exterior of the home. Lovely landscaping on this property, both front and back, as you'll see. And again, the location here is just phenomenal. You're just outside of Old Town. You can bike to the breweries in 5 or 10 minutes, depending how fast you pedal. All right, come on in. There are just some phenomenal features in this property. One of the first things I want to mention to you is the hot water baseboard heat. I am a huge fan of hot water baseboard heat. Electric baseboard, not as great, but hot water certainly is the most efficient and comfortable heat you can get, and that's throughout this property. We just saw the main living area there. We've got one side set up as a living room and the other side set up as a home office. Very important these days. And then this is the eating kitchen, and it's a huge space. You could literally fit about 12 people around that table. And then this is the kitchen, super spacious again. One of the wonderful features of this home is there are many, many ADA upgrades. So if you have somebody with some disabilities or in a wheelchair, this could be a phenomenal home for them because there's extra wide passages throughout the house. And this kitchen is huge. We think whoever's gonna buy this home will probably update that kitchen, but the space in there is phenomenal, tons of cabinetry. Here we are in the guest bath. As you'll see, there's a roll-in shower here, another ADA upgrade, beautiful tile work, and plenty of room to maneuver around in this guest bathroom. You'll see just there, tons of storage in this house. Oh my gosh, there are closets and cupboards everywhere. If you like playing hide and seek, this might be the house for you. And you know, it was built in 1961. There are 5, arguably 6 bedrooms. There was an addition done in 2002. That addition is spectacular. Wait until you see that. But for a home built in 1961, it's got a cool mix of retro as well as modern day upgrades. So 2, actually I think 3 solar lights in this property. So that's great for energy efficiency. And this is one of those areas, again, it's a little pantry off the hall. Use it for food, use it for your camping supplies. I see somebody putting a sliding barn door up there to make it extra cool. You can see a shot of the parquet floors there, the original parquet floors back from 1961. This is the second of our bedrooms. The upper floor has all new carpet, nice and clean and fresh. You can see those retro built-in cabinets. That's kind of the equivalent of three closets, or wardrobes, as we like to call them where I'm from. Here's the third bedroom, and this bedroom leads out into that extension area that was added on in 2002. And wait till you see this. Everybody who's come to see this house, from the stager, through to the home measurement professional, through to the cleaner, they've walked into this room and gone, oh my gosh, because it's impressive. The light in here is amazing. You know, we have it staged as a gym. Check out all those skylights. I think there's 5 skylights in this home total. You could use this as a table tennis room. You could put a pool table in here. You could have yoga classes. You could teach dance classes. Use it for whatever you want. It is just a beautiful asset to this property. Now, just down there is the lower basement area. There's about 700 square feet down that basement. But come on in, it's a flex space, essentially. The previous owners were using it as their master. You can use it for whatever you want, but it's beautifully spacious. Again, look at all that light coming in, and for privacy, you can just close up those curtains, lower those blinds, or it wouldn't be too difficult to go ahead and wall that whole area up if you wanted to designate it as a master bedroom. Those same beautiful parquet floors, and then just around the corner, you have the laundry area with some upper cabinets. You can see that where the kitchen goes. You have the access to the oversized 2-car garage. That's a 600 square foot garage. And then here you have the 3/4 bathroom. And if you wanted to, it wouldn't take much to actually put a wall between that laundry area and the kitchen, and you could open this all up into a much bigger ensuite bathroom and still have space for your laundry there. All right, mentioned to you about the 600 square foot garage. Back through the kitchen, you can see that little breakfast bar there, coming around into what I like to call the atrium or the sunroom, and we're gonna go down into the basement. Now down here, it's essentially another living area. You can use it for whatever you want, of course, but right now we have it staged as an in-law suite. You know, this property could also be used as a group home as long as you went through the correct procedure with the City of Fort Collins, but it is zoned with a review to be able to have that done. So if you had people living upstairs, this could be a private area downstairs with your own living room, your own full bathroom that we'll see here in a second, and then also a rather large bedroom, again with tons more storage. And yeah, that is a jetted tub. This addition was built in 2002, so 18 years old. Here is that bedroom. This could be the 5th bedroom or the 6th bedroom if you choose. Look at all that storage down the side. We've got egress windows both there, and you saw the close-up in the living area before. So in case of an emergency, egress windows allow you out easily. All right, come see the backyard, and we've got some surprises back here too. This is a lovely covered porch. If you like to entertain but don't like to get rained on, that is perfect. Beautiful stamped concrete patio. You know, my good buddy and co-lister Paul Wozniak on this property, he has really coordinated getting that backyard put together. This last 3 or 4 weeks we've been preparing this property, and it looks beautiful. We just saw a little aviary area there. If you have animals you'd want to keep, it is a chicken-friendly neighborhood. Next door does have chickens, and there's no HOA, so chickens are allowed with certain restrictions from the City of Fort Collins. And then this is the studio. So this is an additional 151 square feet of space. This has been used as a little retreat. You can use it as a home office. One of the previous owners was a massage therapist, so she saw clients in here. Just to the west of there as well is a rather large garden shed. And just to the north of the house, you've got this little side area with additional storage for gardening tools, your lawnmower. There's that composite deck. The back of the house is just absolutely stunning. Look at that. It really is quite beautiful. Such a flexible home, so many options. There's a final drone shot. And as I mentioned, the property backs to PVH. So it backs to a little trail, then PVH's parking lot, and then there's the hospital. Here we are, 1209 Emigh Street. A total of 3,047 square feet plus another 151 square feet in the studio. And then when you split that up, it's 2,352 on the main level, not including that studio, and 695 square feet in the basement. I am Robert Crow, Realtor with Remax Alliance. I am co-listing this property with my good buddy Paul Wozniak of Remax. Any questions, please feel free to reach out using the information on screen. And as always, have a smashing day.